Hello dear students, this is Dr. Saurabh sir's class. We are now solving TIFR GS 2024 previous year questions. So this is our contact number, which is 9836793076. Please feel free to call us uh, to let us help you for the upcoming examinations and for your educational welfare. Please feel free to call us on this number. We are Dr. Saurabh sir's class. So welcome to our class, and now we are going to solve the question which is appeared in our TIFR 2025 general selection process. So the question is telling us that what is the number of functions which is f, and if the domain of it will be f is running from, okay, let me see it. Okay, so now, so our f is from r minus 2, it is r minus 0 1. Okay, so such that our f mod of fx minus fy is equals to mod of x minus y for all x comma y belongs to r minus 0 and 1. Okay, so what can be done? So we are now going to analyze the condition which is given as this. So the condition implies that f preserves the absolute difference between any two points xy in its domain. Therefore, our f must either preserve the relative order of x and y, that is fx greater than fy, if and only if our x is greater than y, or reverse the relative order, which is this: fx is greater than fy when this thing occurs. Okay, so now the properties of such functions. So fx is strictly increasing. This happens when our f preserves the relative order of x and y. In this case, what will happen? In this case, our fx minus fy will be equals to x equals to x minus y. So case 2, when our fx is strictly decreasing. This happens when our f reverses the relative order of x and y. Then what will happen? Then this thing happens, which is my fx minus fy, that is equals to minus of x minus y. So now what will be the candidate functions? So there are two cases described above can be realized as: if our fx be x plus c, where c is some arbitrary constant which is a real number also, and our fx will be minus x plus c when c will same be the arbitrary constant. So constraints on fx, since the codomain of f is what? Codomain of f is my r minus 0 and 1. We must ensure that our fx cannot be 0 and 1 for all x which is belonging between this. Okay, so what will happen? Now for our fx equals to x plus c, this implies that our x plus c cannot belongs to 0 and 1 for all x. And similarly for our minus x plus c will also the same case will occur. Yeah. So now the validity of C. In both cases, the constant C can always be chosen such that our fx does not equals to 0 and 1. So because the constants x plus c is does not belonging to 0 1 and our minus x plus c does not belonging to 0 1, only exclude specific values of c. Thus there are exactly two functions that satisfy the given conditions, which is this, that means this and this is strictly increasing and this is strictly decreasing. So the number of such functions will be 2. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you. And again, I am telling that please feel free to call on this number so we can conduct our your doubt clearing sessions or the lecture series. We are eager to launch a doubt clearing sessions and a batch for our TIFR GS. Okay, we are Dr. Saurabh's classes and we are going to launch a lecture series or a a batch which will help you to excel in your examinations. You understood, guys? Thank you.